Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy. In this pharmacy competitive examination point of view, today we are going to discuss about 5 important multiple choice type questions from pharmaceutical jurisprudence schedules. After long time we are coming to our session. The first question is biologicals belonging to which type of schedule? Options: Schedule C, Schedule L, Schedule H and Schedule G. This is the major topic and major questions. We know that biological products and special substances are coming under the important schedule. That is what? That is the question. Okay. So before that we have to know one important information, that is for the drug inspector posting, the minimum qualification industrial experience, the candidates should have completed 18-month experience for the handling of Schedule C, C1 and X drugs. Okay, so our question is Schedule C. It is related to biological products. Okay, so the correct answer is Schedule C. Then the question number 2, the premises licensed for the manufacture of drug must fulfill the condition according to dash: Schedule N, Schedule M, Schedule O and Schedule X. Here the Schedule X, it is indicating the habit forming drugs. Schedule M, good manufacturing practice. Then Schedule N, minimum requirements for opening the new retail pharmacy. Our question is the premises licensed for the manufacture of drug. Okay, so the term manufacture of drugs must fulfill the condition according to dash. That is the question. Okay, so we may guess the answer. So manufacture, GMP, it is indicating the Schedule M. The correct answer is Schedule M. Okay, then the question number 3, list of minimum requirements for retail pharmacy is given in Schedule dash. In previous question only we had discussion with the answer. Okay, the answer already discussed in the previous question. Okay, that is what we have to remember the question. Okay, Schedule M, it is indicating good manufacturing practice. Schedule N, it is indicating the minimum requirements for the retail pharmacy shop. Schedule C, biological products. Okay, then our question is what? Minimum requirements for retail pharmacy. So the correct answer, we have known, we have guessed, not guessing, we have confirming the answer. That is Schedule N. Okay, Schedule N, it is indicating the list of minimum requirements for retail pharmacy is Schedule N. Then the question number 4, list of drugs which can be marketed under generic name only is given in Schedule dash: Schedule X, Schedule W, Schedule U and Schedule S. So there are a lot of schedules we are studying from our pharmaceutical jurisprudence subject. Under this, which type of schedule in this under this we are studying the schedule, different examples of drugs from different categories. No, so it is coming under which schedule? List of drugs which can be marketed under generic name only is given in Schedule W. Okay, it is the correct answer. Next, the question number 5, list of ailments that is not cured by drug is given in Schedule dash. Okay, so what is the answer? There are 52 different varieties of diseases we can study and we can categorize under Schedule J. For example, the diseases like hypertension, cataract, blood poisoning, diabetes mellitus, epilepsy. Like this, lot of diseases we can categorize. Okay, so each and every diseases are coming under Schedule J. That is the correct answer. List of ailments that is not cured by drug is given in schedule J. So dear friends, dear students, dear viewers, dear GPAT qualifying students, I mean future GPAT qualifying students and present students, present GPAT qualified students, all of you prepare well for your further examination like RRB, ESIC, MRB and DI examination. All the very best wishes for your brightful successful future. அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீள ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகழ், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் எல்லா தொழில்களிலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழி நடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Once again we are wishing all the very best wishes for your successful and brightful future. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. நன்றி.